Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video tutorial on Google Marketing. So first off guys, what you have to do is click on get started today. So after clicking on that, you'll be redirected to this page. Right now we just wait for a few seconds till it loads up, and after loading we'll be in here. So welcome to Google Analytics. We have to click on start measuring. Now we have to enter our account name, like it's NetTech, account data sharing, what do you want to share, all these things, and then just click on next. Now we have to create a property. What's our property name? Let's say that it's NetTech. We can set the currency, the reporting time zone. Again, click on next. Now business details. What is the industry category? The business size. Let's say that we're in IT, I guess. Although there isn't this, so I'll just choose books and literature. Now we select medium and again click on next. Choose your business objectives. Let's say that we would like to generate leads, and in the end click on create. Here click on got it. We can read here in terms of service, and in the end just click on I accept. Choose a platform that for now we would like to stay in web. Set up your web stream. Let's say that it's https www.nettech123.com. Stream name, my website, let's say that it's NetTech Home web, and after that just click on create stream, and here now we can start collecting data. Here is our account, our data, site, I'm sorry guys, and now we can see the installation instructions. So we can install with a website builder or a CMS. After clicking on that, we can select what we want to do. Is we can just click on GoDaddy, copy our tag ID, and set up your tag integration with GoDaddy. So here are the instructions. Go into your GoDaddy account and go to the product page. On the product page, go to websites plus marketing selection and click manage. You just follow the steps, and in the end just click on publish, and after that you can just test your website, or you can install it manually. If you're more of a code guy, we can just copy and paste the code of every page of your website, and immediately after that just add after the head element, but don't try to add more than one Google tag on each page. That as is it written. You just copy this, and after entering everything in your site, you just add this code to after the head element of your site, and the Google Analytics will be integrated into your site. And in the end you can test your website, and everything will be written on here. So here we can also select our stream details. We can just like erase this and update stream. Here the measurement ID, you can just copy it. You can do whatever you want with it, and click on next. Data collection is pending, just continue to home, and here we'll be redirected to the main page, which is this one. And now we can see that no data is received from our website yet, because it's not a real website and we haven't put it into the market. So here we can see if we have a website, how much users have entered in our website. We can see we can just choose it manually. We can see the conversions, the users, the engaged sessions, the new users, view sessions, and everything. We can see the event count, the conversions, the new users, or we can just use this simple card. We can view report snapshot real timeline in the last 30 minutes for the traffic of the site. We can see the reports, like the real snapshot and the real time. This is not that complicated, and we'll just here it can show you the traffic in the countries. We can also see the general leads, the generate leads. I'm sorry guys. And yeah, you can also explore all these things. You can start an exploration for a free form, final exploration, and advertising. You can see from what our advertising has your conversion scheme. And that's really it for the Google Analytics, guys. I hope that I've helped you with this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.